Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a great day so far. In today's video, this is how to get 100 subscribers every day on YouTube and grow YouTube fast in 2021. If you're looking to grow your YouTube channel a little faster, these are my top tips on how to set up your YouTube channel to get your first 100 subscribers and reach to the point where you're getting 100 new subscribers every single day. If you guys want to see more YouTube videos on how to grow your channel with growth tips, tricks, strategies from me in the future, please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the post notifications, hit the bell so that you will never miss another upload from me. Tip number 1, upload videos consistently. It's a fact. Reports have shown that YouTube channels that post more than once a week are performing much better and getting more recommended views. If you want to get to the point where YouTube is consistently pushing out your videos, every single one of them, and getting you more views and subscribers, being active on your channel is one of the best ways to do it. Tip number 2, title format that gets clicks. The very best way to grow fast on YouTube. Views that turns into subscribers. But of course, to make this happen, you have to be getting views on your videos. In order to make this happen, when people see your videos on the recommended page or in search or in suggested, your video has to catch their eye and make them want to click on it. For instance, having an eye-catching thumbnail for your video. Keywords to get clicks. Keywords to get ranked in search. For example, if your video is about weight loss, you want to title it How I Lost 20 Pounds in 1 month. Finding more creative ways to title your video is definitely going to entice people to click on your video. Tip number 3, tell your viewers what they are subscribing to. Tell them what your channel is all about. How many times do you see a video that says subscribe to my channel? However, most people don't tell you what they are subscribing to or what you are subscribing to. If you get views from non-subscribers who know nothing about your channel, you can make a random video about cooking and the rest of your videos are about hiking or sewing or rowing or vlogging, which is in my opinion, guys, it's all fine. But be sure to let your subscribers know what they're subscribing to and to what kind of content they're going to be getting in the future. Tip number 4, use comments to convert to views. One thing I've seen is people's videos with loads of comments that haven't been liked, given a heart, or even acknowledged. When someone leaves a heartfelt comment, you should respond by liking and give them a heart in response with a thank you. Or thank you so much for liking my comment, or thank you so much for watching. Just to let them know that they are appreciated, and it definitely goes a long way, and they will feel more connected to you as well. Tip number 5, intentional, valuable live streams. Try a live stream on your phone or on your computer and say a quick hello to your fans on your YouTube channel. Go to the YouTube app, click on the video camera button from your YouTube channel and select Go Live. You also can gain subscribers that way as well. Your live will show up on the recommended page and you will build instant connections with everyone that comes into your channel with newer subscribers during a live stream. It's a game changer, guys. Tip number 6, commenting on videos is free and a fast way to get your voice heard by a new audience. You will increase your video views and profile views. If you say something interesting or unique, or other readers will click on your profile, watch your videos, and subscribe to your channel. Tip number 7, guys, rank all your videos. Write a unique description for each of your videos. Aim for at least 200 words. Use synonym keywords throughout your description. For example, if your keywords are how to rank YouTube videos, synonym keywords would be how to rank YouTube videos in Google, ranking videos in search engines, etc. etc. So that is it, guys, for my top tips and tricks on how to get 100 subscribers every single day on YouTube and grow your YouTube channel fast in 2021. Hopefully one of these tips will help you, and please comment down below, guys, to let me know which one of these tips have helped you. I would love to hear about it, my friends. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. I appreciate you guys for liking, commenting, and subscribing, and I'll see you all in the next video. Love you guys. Have an amazing day. Take care, guys. See you soon.